Here is a wonderful 2017 Volkswagen Beetle. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Enjoy a tour of this iconic Volkswagen Beetle, the fun-loving compact with retro charm. Modern style and technology blend with unmistakable heritage to bring you a delightfully updated take on a true original. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, stability control, rear spoiler, leather steering wheel, traction control. Feel happy vibes kick in when you're behind the wheel of this delightful Beetle. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.